She no like the guy or naughty, but she go chop if you give her cucumber. Waka from Transamadi till I leg picking, she come with your loco. Baby, make her give you some.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Kayla. So for today's video, I will be showing you guys how I do my makeup here in Nigeria. It is so humid here, you guys, so I really had to come up with a makeup routine that definitely helps keeping my makeup in place all day long and also just keeps it looking fresh and nice. And yeah, this is the look. So if you guys do want to see how I do my makeup while I'm here in Nigeria, definitely keep on watching. Alright you guys, so to start, I'm using the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Serum, and I'm using this as a primer. It also helps to keep my skin really hydrated under my makeup. And then I'm just taking a brown eyebrow pencil and filling in my brows. And yes, that's my husband on the couch, so unbothered by me doing my makeup here. He's there watching soccer. As you guys know, Nigeria is humid all year round, but right now it's actually raining season, so like it's not like as humid and musty as it usually is, like compared to other times during the year. Your raining season starts, when does it start? May or June?
It starts in May, ends in...
So yeah, it starts in May and I think ends in like August. So right now, like the weather is still really humid, but it's like not as hot compared to like the previous months that I've been here. Bro, there's some months I've been here, you guys, and the heat was just a little too much for me, like to the point where I'll only go out at nighttime just because of how humid it is. But right now, like I can actually go outside in the daytime, and you know, we can do like little patios and stuff, and I'm like not that hot. Like it's still humid, but it's just like not as hot and musty, so it's like cool weather right now. I'll go ahead and carve out my eyebrows, and then we're gonna get into the rest of the face. I'm just taking a Real Techniques brush and I'm just going to blend out this concealer. I do have lash extensions on and this eye is just like doing its own thing. Really can't be about it. I'm kind of like ready for them to just like fall all out. Alright, so now moving on to the face. The first thing that I'm going to do is take this is a foundation stick from Sephora, and I'm going to use this to first contour my face before I apply my foundation and also my highlighting shade. This one is in the shade Teak, and if I do forget to like say any of the products or like mention the names, I'll have all of that listed in the description box down below for you guys. I'm just gonna apply this around my forehead just to make my forehead up here a little smaller because we have a ponytail and it's looking hella big right now, so I'm gonna make it look like I have a tiny forehead. And then I'm gonna bring this down the side of my cheeks. I'm also gonna go in and contour my nose. So for concealer and to highlight my face, I'm using the Juvia's Place concealer, and I'm using the shade number 13 and 18, and I'm gonna mix them together. So number 13 is like the darkest shade, so that one I'm gonna use like mainly under my eyes. And also, you guys, I don't have like a big mirror, so I'm using my my computer screen as a mirror right now, which is a little hard. I'm gonna apply a bit of this on my forehead. This one is kind of finished. I do need to get another one. My husband is in the back there eating, so you know, I hear his plate scraping. And now I'm gonna take the lighter concealer and I'm just gonna place this like in the inner corners of my eyes and also on the bridge of my nose and the tip of my chin. And then now I'm gonna take my foundation. This is the Maybelline up to 24-hour foundation, and this one is in the shade Cappuccino. It is a little darker than me, and I do prefer to wear a darker foundation when I'm here just because I do have a tan right now. Can't really see it on camera because of all the lights in my face, but this one, it might appear a little darker, which it is. It's probably like a shade or one or two shades darker than my actual foundation color. But with all the concealer and everything that I have on, it's gonna blend right in, and it's just gonna give me like that perfect look. So yeah, I'm gonna put like 1 or 2 pumps on my foundation brush. Now I'm going to go in with my Real Techniques face brush, and I'm just going to blend out the contouring shade first and then the foundation afterwards. I'm just gonna go in my foundation brush and blend all of this out together. Alright, now I'm just going to take my Damn Beauty blender and I'm just going to blend out the rest of this concealer. And then I'm just going to go back in with a little bit more of this concealer. I'm using the lighter shade. And I'm just going to apply like 2 to 3 dots under my eyes. Alright, so now to set my face, I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier setting powder in the shade Translucent. And I'm just going to apply this to the areas where I applied that concealer. And then once I'm finished like tapping it in with my brush, then I'm gonna take a sponge and then we're gonna let my face bake. So I'm just gonna go over that with a flat sponge like this. And now I'm gonna set this and let it bake. And now I'm just gonna like finish up my eyes. So because I have lash extensions on, I don't really like doing like eyeshadow and all of that, especially when I have lash extensions on. I mean, they're like kind of like trash right now, but I feel like I don't really want to do any eyeshadow. I'm just gonna take some bronzer and like bronze out my eyes. Bronzer that I'm going to use is this Sephora powder that I use, and this one is in the shade Toffee Spice. I'm going to apply this like all over my lid. And again, it's like a darker shade, so it looks brown. But that's pretty much all I'm going to do for my eyes. Alright, so now we're gonna go in and dust all of this powder away. But now I'm gonna take my MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NC45, and this is what I'm gonna use to set my entire face. Alright, so now it's time to go in and bronze on my face, and I'm going to be using that same Sephora foundation powder. So with this, I'm going to go over my forehead as usual. And I am using the foundation brush by e.l.f. My brush is kind of dirty right now, so yeah, don't judge me. Yes, look at that. I'm just gonna tap that over that contour and then go up to your forehead. Yes, honey. It's the cheekbones for me. I just love looking so bronze. It just like makes my face look even more chiseled because we got a fat face, so. Alright, so this is super matte, as you guys can see. I'm going to take that same powder as well, and I'm just going to use this to contour my nose. So I'm just going to go back in with my setting powder, and I'm just going to carve back up my cheekbones. I'm just going to add some highlight to the tip of my nose. And right down the bridge. Some also in my inner tear ducts. Since we're not doing any eyeshadow, we need some sparkle. I'm gonna do my lips in the meantime, and then we're gonna finish off the face once I'm done that. For lips, I'm taking my MAC lip liner in the shade Chestnut. I'm just gonna outline my lips. Apply this to the center of my lips. Also, this does sting a little. It is a lip plumper, so it will sting you a little. Just the FYI. So now let's finish up the face. I'm just gonna powder dust all of this away. Look how chiseled my cheeks are. Highlight in like the center of my forehead, just to give me that glow. Alright, so my lashes are a mess, but that's not why we're here. We're not here for the lashes. We're here for the face and to see, where did I do it with my lash brush? You guys, so the main factor in this entire makeup look that keeps my makeup in place all night long, and especially keep my makeup from like sweating and getting oily and just like keeping it intact, the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. A lifesaver, you guys. You definitely need this, especially for the summertime, especially if you're on vacation and it's humid. This will save your makeup. So I'm gonna just take this and spray my entire face. And then to seal that, I'm gonna take my beauty blender, the same beauty blender that I use to apply my makeup, and I'm just gonna dab this in, especially on the areas that I know that I do get oily and I know that like my makeup will crease really fast. I just take my sponge and dab it in, and also you can also spray some on the sponge. I kind of like to do that on the areas that I do highlight. This is just gonna like bring my highlight together. So forehead, alright you guys, so this is pretty much the look. This is how I do my makeup here in Nigeria. This is how I've been doing my makeup. This is definitely like also my go-to makeup. Nothing new, nothing has really changed. This makeup routine just really helps me like keeping my makeup in place and not sweating off, and just like, you know, making my face look fresh all night. So yeah, this is my updated, I guess you can call this like my updated makeup routine. But this is the look. This is how it turned out. I'm really feeling this. Also, I did do like a braided ponytail. It is really tight though. I did it here at the salon. Not really sure how to feel about it, just because like it is super tight. The back of my hair is pulling, and you know when you start getting like those little tiny like fine little bumps in the back there, that's what's happening right now. So I did it probably like 3 days ago, and I'm so ready for it to come out. But yeah, this is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I had actually so much fun creating this look. It's been a while since I put out a makeup tutorial, and I enjoyed it. So if you guys do want more makeup tutorials while I'm here, comment down below and let me know. And yeah, we're here for a month, so I have all the time in the world to record. Comment down below, let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see next from me, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think about the look. I know it's really simple and plain. Also, it doesn't look like much, but my face is like super beat right now. Like, this is such a gorgeous look, and it's really simple, not a lot of products. And yeah, so comment down below, let me know what you guys think, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Give me a big thumbs up if you did enjoy this video, like, share, all of that, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.